Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Kenneth Emia, 37 years old. I live in Purok Tres Bukak, Bayugan City, Agusan del Sur. I have three children, ages 18, 15, and 10 years old. My educational attainment is college level. I have 5 years and 3 months experience as a nanny and helper, 4 years in Philippines, and 1 year and 3 months in Hong Kong. My duties and responsibilities as a helper are taking care of 6 months old and 2 years old kid, doing household chores such as cooking, marketing, cleaning, laundry, ironing, washing car, washing dishes, taking care of pet, and bringing to school my employer kid and into the park. I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, honest, responsible, loves to take care of kids, and most important, a lot of patience. To my future employer, hope you will choose me. Thank you and have a good day.